Canterbury Bells tutorial. Take out 2 purple pipe cleaners, arrange side by side. Bend it at the top 2 centimeters. Then bend it back and forth every 4 centimeters. Bend it into 3. Then separate the 2 pipe cleaners. Make sure all at the same height. Twist it twice. Twist twice at ends to secure. Bend inward a little at the bottom of each petal. Now you've got half the petal. Do the same for the other petal. Glue the 2 halves of the petals together. Adjust the petal. Bend petal tip 5 millimeters downward. And color it in with eyeshadow. Note that the color must be evenly applied. Yellow pipe cleaner cut out 3 centimeters long for flower cord. Trim the top part. Glue the flower cord to the center of flower. Take out a green pipe cleaner. Bend 2 centimeters on top. Then measure out another 2 centimeters and fold back and forth 5 times. Twist it twice. Twist twice at ends to secure. Trim the top into tip. Bend each piece upward. And then bend the top down a little bit. The receptacles is done. Cut off the extra pipe cleaners at the bottom of the flower. Then glue it into the receptacle. And then wrap it in floral tape. One little flower is ready. I made 10 of them. Take out 2 green pipe cleaners. Fold it in half and pull one of them through the middle. Twist twice and then arrange the pipe cleaners. Use one of the pipe cleaner at the end to tighten the others. Adjust the leaf shape. You need to make 2 leaves. Now we begin to assemble all the flowers and leaves. Take out a handcraft flower stick and wrap it in floral tape. Assemble a small flower at the top of the flower stick. Next, assemble one flower every 4 centimeters. About 8 centimeters below the last flower begins to assemble the leaves. Canterbury Bells.